Tired of IDM downloads failing or getting stuck at 99%? We've all been there. That frustrating moment when your download just won't complete. You wait minutes, maybe even hours, and right when you're ready to celebrate, bam! The download freezes or fails completely. This video dives into the most common IDM issues and, more importantly, gives you the exact step-by-step fixes to get your downloads running smoothly again. Plus, I'll show you how to tweak IDM for maximum speed so you can download faster than ever. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now. When IDM gets stuck at 99%, it's usually because one or more download segments failed to complete or got corrupted. IDM splits large files into smaller parts to download faster, but if one part fails, because of unstable internet, server timeouts, or antivirus interference, the final merge process won't finish. Sometimes, Windows Defender or your antivirus actively blocks IDM from combining the files, thinking it's suspicious activity. Other times, your browser loses connection before the last part is received. Understanding this problem is the first step toward fixing it. To fix this, first ensure IDM has enough space for temporary files by going to IDM. Downloads. 1. Options. Save to and checking that your temporary directory is on a drive with free space. Next, tell your antivirus and Windows Defender not to scan IDM's files while it works. In your antivirus like Avast or Bitdefender, go to its settings, find the Exclusions or Safe List section, and add the same folder there. You can also add your Downloads folder as an exclusion so large files aren't scanned during merging. Finally, make sure the official IDM browser extension is installed and updated, and avoid pausing and resuming the same download too often, as it can cause file corruption. If IDM doesn't grab downloads when you click a link, it's likely a browser integration problem. In IDM, go to Options to General and make sure your browser is checked in the list. If you're on Chrome or Edge, open the Browser menu, go to Extensions, and check that IDM integration module is enabled. If it's missing, reinstall it from the official IDM site by clicking Options to General to add Browser extension. After enabling it, restart both IDM and your browser to refresh the integration. In Firefox, also ensure that IDM's extension has access to all sites turned on, so it can intercept all download links. For the fastest speeds, go to IDM, Downloads, Options and Connection. Increase default max corner number to 16 or 32, so IDM can download more parts of the file at the same time, but avoid setting it to maximum for servers that might block too many connections. Check Speed Limiter in the toolbar and make sure it's turned off. In the Downloads tab, enable Start Downloading Immediately to eliminate delays, and keep IDM updated to the latest version so you get performance improvements. These tweaks can drastically cut your download time, especially on stable high-speed connections. If IDM's Download this video panel doesn't show up on YouTube or streaming sites, first update IDM. It regularly releases fixes for site compatibility. Go to Help, check for updates inside IDM. Then, in Options, General, make sure Use Advanced Browser Integration is enabled. In Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, also check that the IDM extension has permission to run on all sites. If IDM freezes, won't start downloads, or keeps losing settings, a reset can fix it. First, close IDM completely, right-click its icon, and select Run as Administrator. If problems persist, uninstall IDM from Control Panel, then use Disk Cleanup to remove temporary files. Download the latest installer from the official IDM site and reinstall. This ensures you're running a clean, uncorrupted version.